This is how you set up your VRA in the Equinox Suite. When setting up the VRA for the Equinox Suite, go to the menu and select Setup, General Setup. From here, choose the VRA system you are using, either the Teddy Box or the digital VRA Pure system that you want to access through the suite. Next, go to Setup again and find the AC440 setup. Here, you can create a new protocol and rename it. This will be a copy of your AC440 protocol with the same settings. Then, go to the Pediatric setup and find the add-ons for the VRA setting. You can activate VRA and choose the number of available rewards. This refers to the number of screens or Teddy boxes you have connected to your system. For example, if you have 2, set it to 2. The response window is the amount of time the patient has to respond to the stimuli by turning their head. If they don't respond within this time, it will be marked as a no response in the tick sheet. Once the setup is finished, click Apply and Save. To start the VRA testing, go to Menu, Test, Pediatric. Here, you'll find the VRA controls on your right. You'll have all your playlists created in the Playlist Creator window. You can choose Reward Right or Reward Left to activate the corresponding screen with a reward for the patient. You can also activate or deactivate the conditioning. Now you know how to set up your VRA in the Equinox Suite. Thank you for watching.